One pillow for me, Pexi, because I can't sleep.
The most important.
And also outfoxed in here, so I can play a board game.
What is that box? That white box?
This
the
one?
big one?
Oh, that is a freezer, and you can actually put it in your car because it still works if it's a warm day.
And this green one?
This green one is an air mattress. So we're actually going to use the pump to like air it up. And also there's mommy's bag there, and also sleeping bag.
Where we go?
Oh, to the seaside.
And what else?
Cycling.
Cycling, yes. We will do cycling together.
This is the
Lepispea
Caravan camping place. Look.
Why are there houses here?
This is a reception. Remember in Badminton we also have this reception place. Heidi.
Coming.
Ice cream.
Hello.
For informing that in the village there's a beach festival.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
And it's attached caravan. I believe they rent it or then they external their van. Bicycle.
Do you need electricity?
Yeah.
So here is our campground map. We are here to inform, and when you step out, we like that we are here. And straight back end behind the big trees. Behind the trees is the sea. So, and the tent camping area is everything what stays from here to left side. Toilet showers left side, right side, on the other side. From here you can walk to the sea, and you can look around and choose the place you like.
So they don't allocate a place, you just have to pick a place you like to stay on.
Yeah,
Okay.
they have a certain area where you can find your spot.
And Heidi, why don't you want to be behind the tree?
Because it's too dark there.
Too
It's
dark?
too cold.
So Jot is going to take the car. We're gonna settle here.
Yeah, and I'm supposed to hold this and be over here because this is where we are.
Have you been camping before?
Yeah, once.
Where?
I don't know. Maybe here?
Was it in Hungary?
I don't know.
Lake Balaton.
Are you sure? Because I think you know. Because I was so small that time. I don't know what the lady said, but there has to be a shop somewhere.
carefully again.
6 of mommy.
Ah. Yes. Whoa, it's super fast!
Come back. I want to see if it's
Put on
any-
shoes and socks.
Why? So we have pitched the tent over here. You see? And now let's look inside. So here is inside. This is my sleeping bag. This is my mom's sleeping bag. This is my dad's sleeping bag. So let's just be in here for a little bit and lay down.
Hey, Daddy is coming back. Can you take a video of him coming back?
Where is he? Oh, yo! Look at him!
Easy Rider.
I knew you would take this
We
one.
can use the gas.
Yes. So, Heidi,
And stop.
later you have to take the cooking part, okay?
Yeah.
You can stand the...
So
No.
this is his bike that he took. It's blue. But I have a purple one, which I like too. It's smaller, but it has a basket. Oop, oop. Look. This is my car. We still didn't finish because my mom didn't cook yet.
As usual, Heidi lost the keys. She's searching for it.
No, I didn't lose it. Someone
Inside.
lost it. No.
That's why. Even just now the ring I saw, you just anyhow put in the hat.
Onion.
This is some chili. This is oregano, some parsley, salt, and garlic powder. Bouillon.
This is homemade chicken stock.
Now I'm gonna add in the tomatoes. So here is the beans and it looks good.
So that is this oregano.
Oregano, yes.
So it's gonna be bean soup.
Shakshuka recipe. And I'm gonna add eggs on top.
Okay.
One at a time. Oh, one of the shell went in. Yeah.
So Hedika, do you like the food?
I didn't taste it.
What is that food?
Oh,
And what else?
bean soup.
Bean soup.
Seaside.
Wow, so fine.
Can you have Hedika? To the village. Okay.
We can go and buy one pot of ice cream also.
If you want, we can. During winter time, less than 100 people live there.
Why is there
But
a
summer
snow
is more than 1,000 because look, these cottages. It looks really like a holiday resort place.
It's like Hapsalo.
It's here. The
May.
store, yeah. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
A lot of young people.
Now we're going to the mall over here.
In the village.
We're at the mall here. We just need flour, jam, and I'm just going to get a basket. Here, I have a basket. We only have 3 eggs left, so Mommy, take some eggs. And we also need ice cream.
Chicken nuggets.
Yeah, and also ice cream.
Somebody has something happened to her, so now without 2 front teeth, say fish.
Fish.
Bravo. Say Finland.
Finland.
Say surprise.
Surprise.
Say father.
Father.
So where are you going?
To the village.
Bicycling?
Hmm?
Cycling?
Yeah.
Cycling with Heidi together.
Yeah, we are going with Heidi together cycling.
And you will go for roughly how long?
I don't know, depends when she gets tired.
Half an hour usually?
Okay.
Ciao! Bye Heidi!
Ciao.
Vigyázz!
put our bicycles there.
So what are we doing? Pancake party? The breakfast?
Rincha.
Very good.
Let's see if it's perfect.
Okay, here's perfect.
It'll be over at the center. Like this? Maybe like this? I have to go back. So, 1 point and me. Oh my god!